This video will show you how to replace the backrest actuator on the ZeroG 5.0. First, you're going to want to gently tip the chair onto its right hand side, which will give you good access to the actuator in the junction box. The next thing you're going to do is remove the C-clip from the bottom of the hinge pin that secures the actuator to the chair frame. The C-clip's on the bottom of the hinge pin. You can pry that off. And then push the hinge pin up and out of the bracket. Okay, and then to complete the detaching the actuator from the chair, we need a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the Allen bolt from the middle area of the actuator. There's one of those bolts on each side. Next, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the junction box cover. Remove the junction box cover. And then we need to locate the backrest actuator cables. After moving the backrest actuator out of the way, you follow the cables and use a wire cutters to cut any zip ties that are securing the actuator cables to the chair frame. And try to pay attention to where those zip ties are, because you'll need to install new zip ties after installing the new actuator. Once all of the cables are free, follow the cables to the junction box and disconnect each of the cable connectors. And we're done. And to install the new actuator, simply perform all those steps in reverse and be sure to secure the cables as they were before with new zip ties.